Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook canned salmon. First, carefully open your can and drain all the liquid, which helps remove excess saltiness. Then, if you prefer, gently remove any small bones or skin. They are edible, but some people enjoy a smoother texture. Finally, flake the salmon into a bowl, preparing it for any delicious recipe you choose to make. A super simple way to enjoy canned salmon is by making a classic salmon salad. Just mix your flaked salmon with about 2 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise and 1/4 cup of crunchy, chopped celery. A bright squeeze of fresh lemon juice, plus a pinch of salt and pepper, brings all the flavors together beautifully. This makes a perfect quick lunch on a busy day. For a comforting meal, try making crispy salmon patties. Combine your flaked salmon with 1 egg, about 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, and 2 tablespoons of finely diced onion for extra flavor. Form these into small, firm patties, then pan-fry them in a skillet with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Cook them over medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Canned salmon is fantastic in a quick pasta dish. Start by sautéing 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 cup of halved cherry tomatoes in 2 tablespoons of olive oil until fragrant. Then, add your flaked salmon to the pan and gently cook it for about 3 minutes to warm through. Finally, toss this flavorful mix with 8 ounces of your favorite cooked pasta, a splash of starchy pasta water, and plenty of fresh parsley for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.